2 days after Toronto Police released the results of a report from the OPP appearing to show that 3 of its officers are cleared of conspiracy and lying, now the lawyer representing a man who was charged with killing a Toronto police officer is demanding a public inquiry.
The inquiry must assess, among other things, what was going on between TPS and the OPP that led to the culmination of this report.
5 years ago, Toronto Detective Constable Jeffrey Northrup was struck and killed by a car in a downtown Toronto parking garage. That vehicle was driven by Umar Zameer, who was charged with first-degree murder. Zameer pleaded not guilty and testified he didn't know Northrup and his partner, who were in plain clothes, were police officers. He was found not guilty in a jury trial. During that trial, Ontario Superior Court Justice Anne Malloy told the jury she found the evidence of 3 officers who testified to be suspicious. And after the trial, Toronto Police Chief Myron Demkiw asked for an independent inquiry, which found no evidence of collusion. The Toronto Police Association has asked for the judge to apologize for her remarks at that trial. But Zameer's lawyer says politicians like Ontario Premier Doug Ford, who echoed that idea, should stay out of the legal process.
If this sort of Trumpian interference with the court process happened in another country, we would be laughing at the absurdity of it all. The only apology that is owed is from the Chief of Police and the Premier for attempting to undermine the administration of justice.
Nader Hasan says his client has been wronged after being acquitted. He wants all communications between the OPP and Toronto Police and their association to be released. But Toronto's police chief said that decision isn't up to him.
That's in the hands of the OPP, and I think, appropriately there'll be a discussion with the OPP.
Demkiw was asked whether he would encourage the OPP to speak publicly about their findings, and while he wouldn't answer that, he said he's committed to transparency around this investigation. Sean O'Shea, Global News.